parking machine, and I hate those parking machines. Any machine where you've got to put money in. How do they always know you're in a hurry? You know, you rush up to it, and they always get fussy on that last pound coin. You kind of put it in, and it goes, no, I don't like that one. Well, it's just the same as all the others. Yeah, I just don't like that last one. And it's brilliant. It talks you through it. You'd be standing, the self-checkout, you'd be standing there holding a bag of Sprouts, and it goes, please put your first item on the scanner. Please put your first item on the scanner. Please put your first item on the Sprouts. It's shit. La ooh la la, Lady Gaga. Ooh la la. Blokes do that other one, that you know when they put hot food in their mouth, blokes who do that sharp intake of breath. Suddenly he starts talking fucking Klingon, you know? And why haven't they got the numbers thing sorted out with those machines? Have you heard them machines say numbers? Fuck, you give your account number and it goes, did you say 37215? 777792100. Fuck, I'm back on the chat line here. Yeah, keep going, love, that's lovely, yeah. Wait a minute, yes, I know this one. You go down there, you do a right. Come to a roundabout. Go round the roundabout. Round the roundabout. Fuck it, I've missed my turning. Oh, look. What are you doing now? I'm in the services, I'm fucked. It's ridiculous. See, a kiss is a sign of affection, but why does it have to have a sound effect? Like, if you just met a girl for the first time and you want to take it a step further, you wouldn't start doing sound effects to let her know how the evening's going to go, you know? Well, what I thought was... I think the worst one of all, and I swear this, is bump starting the car with your wife when you've broken down. Because I know women can push. Because I've fucking seen you. With pushchairs and trolleys and stuff like that. So when we've broken down and we asked you, why do you go to the back of the car and go like that? I can't! My shoes don't sleep pain. I forgot my shoes on. All right, then you steer off, fucking push. You know, and you go to the back of the car and you push, you go like that, you go, fuck up, what the fuck, what the... You still got the fucking handbrake on! up and it goes like,
To pay your bill, please say, pay bill.
pay bill,
Please say, pay bill.
pay bill,
Pay bill.
pay bill,
Pay bill.
pay bill. The train now arriving. Why can we never understand them fuckers? You know, you stand on the platform of a train station, all you can hear is the train now arriving at platform 3. It's a surreal voice, usually time. You fucking what? The train now arriving at platform 3. It's a surreal, understand the fucking word I'm saying. But there's only certain sports equipment that would do, you know? If someone got into your house, you couldn't suddenly whip out that ribbon thing they use in the gymnastics, you know? Hey, I'm not scared to use this, you know? Come on, you bastard! You know, your microwave's sitting there going, fucking hell. What's your problem? What, 1 minute?
Have a look at the week ahead. Well, tomorrow it's going to be Tuesday. That's likely to start at midnight. Then after about an hour it's going to be 1 o'clock, rising to 2 o'clock. Then it's going to get later and later until 12 o'clock when there's a 50% chance it could become Wednesday.
And you go to the back, and you know when you get it rolling, that's the best bit. You kind of go, yeah, now, love, now! They don't know what now means. Because we never run them past the bump stop procedure. She's in the car like that, yeah! Blokes, they'll try and cook everything at once in the microwave. They'll start balancing like baked beans on top of a potato, and then on top of that microwavable bag of mixed veg. You know, you press a button, suddenly your food looks like a fucking motorcycle display team in there. But it's food, it never trained at the Chinese state circus. After a while, that bag of mixed veg gets all hot, starts to droop, it's up against the glass. Can you see my breast? Have a good look at my arse. Stare at my flange. Everyone on the night shift looks nuts. Have you seen the shelf stacker? That bloke dragging that big cage full of food up each aisle? You know, just stacking the shelves. What's his name? Quaz. You'll see him dragging that big cage full of food going up the aisle going, stack in the shelf! Stack in the shelf! Because your washing machine's like a schizophrenic. Oh yeah, there's a pause before it happens. It just sits there like that. You can see all the clothes looking at each other like, what's happening? And then suddenly your washing machine goes, bastard! See all your clothes in there, pinned up against that drum inside? That's why halfway through you've got to open that drawer and put that fabric softener in there. That's why they call it comfort. That's to calm it down. Calm down. Then at the end you take all your clothes out. There's always that traumatised sock stuck to the top of the drum inside, isn't there? My wife's always complaining there's a sock missing. There's a fucking sock missing. Yeah, it's inside the machine, stuck to the top of the drum like that. Pay! I've lost my brother.
Cashier number 3, please. Cashier number 5, please.
When did they record that? Was the bloke standing on the chair with the fucking rope around his neck?
Cashier number 9, please. I want to die, please.
That's That's all right. I might try that one. Next time I'm pulled over by the police for speeding, he'd be knocking on my window going, "Do you want to wind your window down, sir?" I'll be in the car going, "Ah!"
Turn left.
Fucking right, love.
Straight up.
Oh! It's different. As soon as one of those modern police cars gets stuck in traffic, it's like, woo! Woo! What the fuck is happening there? It's like he's being touched up by all the other cars, you know? Woo!